Oakland University will no longer be a WebEx client after December 2020. Starting in January 2021, all faculty, staff, and students will need to use either Google Meet, YuJa, or Zoom for video conferencing. Since WebEx will no longer be available starting in January 2021, this tutorial will provide instructions for storing your WebEx recordings for future use. You can store WebEx recordings and converted video files on your device. Alternatively, you can use a cloud storage system, such as the free Google Drive account included with your OU webmail account. Finally, you can store videos on the YuJa Media Manager or YouTube in order to conveniently post videos to Moodle. Storing videos on the YuJa Media Manager allows you to conveniently post videos to Moodle. YuJa's media management feature allows you to upload, store, manage, caption, and edit content right within the platform. First, you will need to add YuJa to your Moodle course. First, turn editing on in your course. Click Add an Activity or Resource. Select YuJa. Name the activity YuJa. Click Save and Return to Course. Then click the YuJa activity link on your course's main page. The link will open and the YuJa interface, oakland.yuja.com, will appear within your Moodle course for ease of access. Note that YuJa automatically creates your YuJa account. Next, you will need to access YuJa. You can access YuJa from Moodle, as shown, or you can go to oakland.yuja.com. Select Oakland University Single Sign-On, then click Login. You will need to enter your OU NetID. Once you have accessed YuJa, you can upload video to the YuJa Media Manager. Every YuJa user automatically has their own My Media tab, which can be used to store all of your videos. Note that the current size limit for uploads to the YuJa Media Library is 1 TB. First, under Manage Media, click the My Media tab. This My Media tab is for each individual user's eyes only, functioning as your own personal workspace that no one else can see. Then click Upload. Select Video out of the media options. Then click Browse. Pick the video files from your device that you want to upload. You can single or multi-select your files. Before you start the upload, you have some optional settings to configure, including Publish, Add Tags, and Manage Captions. When you are ready, click Start Upload. Once you've uploaded your file, it will begin processing and will automatically appear under your My Media tab. Once your WebEx video has been added to your YuJa Media Manager, you can add the YuJa video to a Moodle page via the Auto Editor YuJa button. To do this, open a page where you would like to embed your YuJa video. Click Edit Settings, then scroll to the Auto Editor. Select Show/Hide Advanced Buttons. Then click the YuJa for Auto button. Select the video you would like to embed. It will appear as a hyperlink that says YuJa Embedded Content. Then click Save and Display. Your YuJa video will now appear on the page and is ready to be watched. For more information about how YuJa's media management feature allows you to upload, store, manage, caption, and edit content right within the platform, as well as post videos to Moodle, you can refer to the YuJa Media Management Guide. This can be found by clicking the Faculty tab on Moodle, Help Library, Video Conferencing, then YuJa. YouTube is another great platform for hosting your WebEx videos. You automatically have a YouTube account available through your OU Google account, and we recommend using this account, instead of a personal account, for sharing instructional videos with your students. Once videos are uploaded to YouTube, you can embed a YouTube video in Moodle activities and resources that use the Moodle Auto Editor, like a Moodle page, a book, an assignment, or forum description. If you are new to YouTube, you will need to create a new YouTube channel to host your instructional videos. First, log into your OU email account with your NetID. Next to your OU email account profile picture, open the Google Apps menu, scroll down, and select YouTube. On YouTube, click the camera-shaped Create icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then from the drop-down menu, click Upload Video. If you've never uploaded a video before, a message will pop up that reads, Your creator journey begins. Click Get Started. Choose how to create your channel, then click Select. We recommend using the name and image associated with your OU email account, since students will recognize it from your OU emails. The next page will give you a chance to upload a different profile picture, add channel descriptions, and add links to any websites or social media accounts. You can fill these details out and click Save and Continue, or you can click Set Up Later. Then your empty channel will be displayed. You're ready to upload a video. First, record your video using your preferred lecture capture software and save it as an MP4 file. In this case, with WebEx, you will want to convert your WebEx recordings into an MP4 file. On YouTube, click the camera-shaped Create icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then click Upload Video. In the Upload Videos box, you can drag and drop your files to upload them, or you can click Select Files. Note that your videos will be private until you publish them. Fill out your video's details. This will include title, description, thumbnail, playlists, audience, and more. Your title should reflect your course and the video's topic or the name of the meeting. Your description should reflect the content of your video. Your thumbnail should give a hint as to what the video will be about. And you can add your videos to a playlist. You will need to select your video's audience. We recommend selecting No, it's not made for kids. You can click More Options. You can set your category. And under Comments and Ratings, you can select the comment visibility level you want. We recommend Disable Comments, or hold all comments for review to prevent any spam or inappropriate comments from appearing under your video. When you've filled out all your video details, click Next. You may choose to add optional video elements, but these are not necessary. Then click Next. Choose your visibility. We recommend selecting Unlisted if you want to share the video with your students, but not have it be found by strangers on YouTube, since unlisted videos can only be viewed by users who are given the direct link. Then click Save. Once your video is published, you can share it. You have the option to copy the embed link and directly embed the video in a Moodle resource, or you can copy the video link and add the link to Moodle as a URL resource or hyperlink. To post the YouTube video to your Moodle course via the URL activity, copy the video link. In your Moodle course, make sure editing is on, then click Add an Activity or Resource. Select URL. Type the name of your video. Paste the link. You may optionally add a description. If you do this, click Display Description on Course Page. Under Appearance, select New Window. Then click Save and Return to Course. Your video should now appear as a URL resource on your course page. When you click this link, it should open in a new window. To embed the video in a Moodle resource, click the Embed button. Copy the embed link. Go to your Moodle course. Open a resource where you would like to embed the link, such as a Moodle page. On the page, click Edit Settings. Then scroll to the Moodle Auto Editor. Decide where you would like to embed your video. Click the Show/Hide Advanced Buttons button. Click HTML. This will open the code for the page. Simply paste the embed link. You can click the HTML button again to see how your page will look. Your video should be successfully embedded. Then scroll down and click Save and Display. Again, your video should now appear embedded in your Moodle resource. For more information on adding video links to Moodle and embedding YouTube videos in Moodle, you can watch the e-LIS videos on the e-LIS YouTube channel.